That frizz was starting to irk my nerves. Like, irk my nerves. I was really getting sick of that. Like, y'all, it was getting so bad with the frizz that, like, people with locks was asking me, girl, you still locking your hair? What's going on? Girl, you couldn't even see my locks because it was so frizzy. Hello, honeys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be making this video for you guys. I feel like it's been a minute since I've actually talked to y'all about my locks and everything that's going on. Honey, your girl has been outside, okay? She's been outside. If you are new here, welcome. If you have not already subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that button down below. Make sure your post notifications is turned on so you get a notification every time I upload. Honey, we do lock videos, travel vlogs, and lifestyle videos. We do all that over here, okay? So go ahead and subscribe so you can join the honey gang. Now, let me catch y'all up. So I think my last video or last update I did was 7 months. We are officially 8 months now, you guys. I mean, look at the locks. Look at them. Look at them. They are flourishing, honey. We have some really good updates and good stuff going on. I'm so excited. This update is a little bit late because I was out of town in New York. I was going to do it there, but we got busy. So here we are doing it now. If you haven't already, the New York vlog will be coming out at the end of this week. But if you haven't checked out the Dallas vlog or the Colorado vlog or any of those other previous vlogs, go ahead and check your girl out, okay? See what we be doing, okay? Go ahead. That's there just for you. So let's see, what is the major update with this month? So, guys, I washed my hair for the first time by myself. Well, I did have some assistance, but this is my first time washing my hair myself in between retwists. So I actually washed my hair yesterday, used some great products. So go ahead and stay tuned for that video. That video will be coming out soon, and I will show you guys the products that I use to get rid of that dry frizz that I had. Now I do still have some, but it looks so much better and so much more tame. Let me go ahead and give y'all a look of the back, a close-up. So y'all can see what the locks is looking like. They are definitely still frizzy, but baby, a wash and a little product, not a lot, we don't want no build-up. A little product really helps and goes a long way. Now, a lot of my locks in the back are locked like to the ends. They don't have the still curly ends like how these do on the front and in the side. Y'all see all of them? So we still have these right here, but if you look at the ones in the back, those are mostly locked to the ends. You see that? Mostly locked to the ends. I'm trying to see if I can show y'all. All of these Yeah, all of those in the back are mostly locked to the ends. It's just these right here that we're working on now. But I believe with me washing my hair in between retwists, I believe it's going to help. Now, let's talk about interlocking. So, you guys remember from my last update, my loctician went on ahead and interlocked my hair this time because I've started working out and I sweat right in the middle of my head. I think the interlocks have done really well. There hasn't been any breakage. I don't feel like they're fragile or anything. We have had a lot of new growth all over the place, so it's definitely getting time for another retwist. Now, I don't know if I'm going to get interlocked again or retwist again. I'm gonna see what she suggests. We were just trying it out, but honestly, I'm not mad at interlocking. And some people say that interlocking your retwist lasts longer. I don't know if it did for me. I feel like maybe it did. Maybe the part it was still neater, longer than a regular retwist. Maybe. But I just don't know if I see that big of a difference between interlocking and retwist, if you know what I mean. Now this was on my first time getting interlocked, so if we end up interlocking again, then I'll be able to do a full video on interlocking versus retwist. But right now, honestly, I really can't tell the difference between my locks. I mean, they're doing great. They're doing awesome. You can definitely tell where she interlocked and how it's grown out. Here's the tie right here, and we have this much new growth. Do I think it will thin my locks there? I don't know. It hasn't really grown out enough for me to really tell, and I also feel like as time goes on, it's gonna thicken up anyway. So, I mean, I guess you can kind of see where it's like thinner here versus up here, but I don't think it's gonna be that big of a difference. And I feel like over time they're going to be just as thick. So you really can't tell that big of a difference with the interlock. So I will update you guys on that. We are going to Atlanta next month, and I'm going to be getting my hair redone right before that, so I'll probably be putting out an updated retwist or interlock video and kind of let you guys know what I think then. But as of right now, interlocking is cool with me. I really don't see a difference, so whichever way she says she wants to go, I'll be cool with that. I am loving these new products that I have tried out. I really am. So stay tuned for that video. I'm not gonna give it away in this video. Stay tuned for that video where I wash my hair, and y'all will see what products I use on my hair, and to really tame that frizz. That frizz was starting to irk my nerves. Like, irk my nerves. I was really getting sick of that. And it's only right here. So, anywho, moving on. Finally got my tea tree oil, y'all. Finally got it. Now, you don't want to put this on your scalp straight out the bottle. You want to make sure you at least dilute it with some water, or, you know, do something. You don't want to put it directly on your scalp from this. So I mix it with some water and whatever oils I want to. Dip, 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 dip. And we're good to go. I'm gonna insert a picture of the side-by-side of the little part in my scalp that we was concerned about from 2 updates ago, maybe, about it potentially being psoriasis. I don't think so. It's completely gone. So I really believe that the tea tree oil did it for me. You know, tea tree oil is really good about like healing, and it's like an antifungal something. It's really good. So if your scalp is irritated, or you think you have anything going on, I would definitely have this a part of your normal regimen, just to even prevent anything from happening. I definitely think this is good to have a part of your routine. And then also, since I am still working out Monday through Friday, I do still blow dry my locks right after I work out, to get rid of that sweat and everything. And now I am washing my hair myself, okay? And with me working out like that and with me sweating right in my head, I'm probably gonna be washing my hair like at least every 3 weeks, if not every 2 weeks. Because right now I'm getting my hair retwisted around every 6 to 8 weeks. So definitely want to make sure I'm washing my hair in between going to my loctician. So I'm trying to think, are there any other updates? My locks are definitely longer. You'll see in that video where I wash my hair, you'll really see the true length. It's been dried up now and there's shrinkage, but they're really, really growing. They smell really, really good. I don't have any buildup. I don't have any scalp issues. The frizz has gone down since I've started using actual product, and I promise you, I do not use a lot of it because you don't need a lot of it. I use the same oils for moisturizing. I still use my Jamaican black castor oil for hair growth and everything like that. Argan oil, love that. And then I added my tea tree oil. Love, love, love it. And then I still use my rose water. I need to get some more of this. But yes, you guys, other than that, we're about to be at a year here soon, and I can't even believe that. I can't even believe it. But yes, y'all, hair is doing bomb. I really, really love that product because it tamed my frizz so good. And like, it was so bad with the frizz that like people with locks was asking me, girl, you still locking your hair? What's going on? Girl, you couldn't even see my locks because it was so frizzy. It was ridiculous. It just looked like my hair was curly because you couldn't see the locks because it was frizzing so bad. So it's much better now, and I know here soon these will be locked to the end. I'm just trying to be patient. You really have to be patient with locks. You have to trust the process and leave them alone. Make sure they're clean, getting clean and getting moisturized. But other than that, leave them alone because you don't want to, mess up the process. But we have a lot of new growth. And I will be getting a retwist here soon. I will let you guys know in the next video or next couple videos if I ended up just getting a regular retwist or if we end up getting interlocked. If so, I will do a retwist versus interlock video, so stay tuned for that, you guys. Go ahead and leave me a comment below. Let me know if you get interlocked or if you just get regular retwist, if you do your own hair, when you wash your hair, if you wash your own hair. Let me know all of that down below. Okay? I love you guys so much. Please check out those other videos and stay tuned for when I washed my hair for the first time. Yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe, honey. Join the honey gang. I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and join us. Okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.